With more money comes more experiences, extraordinary vacations, buying new gifts for your family members, that's always nice, and buying a better home for yourself, that's really nice. You can eat better food. Having more money gives you the ability to relax and enjoy life to the fullest. Today, I'm going to share with you an easy method to help you make money online. Just follow each step till the end. You can decide to follow through by pausing throughout the video and doing as I do. And this is absolutely free. And it's available all over the world, so it doesn't matter which country you're coming from. But before we do that, please just subscribe to the AD Money channel. I would really appreciate that. Just click that red button. It's absolutely free to subscribe. And click that bell icon, that is the notification bell, so you receive a notification when I upload my new videos. So the first step you want to do, you want to come onto Google. When you're on Google, you want to search Google Drive. Now you'll see many options over here, so you just want to find this one that says drive.google.com. Then you want to click on that. So when you click on that, it's going to take you to your Google Drive. Your Google Drive is basically a place where you can store some files online. Then the next step you want to do is you want to go onto a website called splitly.com. splitly.com. Splitly is actually a platform that helps people on Amazon get more sales. If you don't know what Amazon is a place where people buy and sell different kinds of items and products. So what Splitly does is that it helps people that are selling on Amazon to get more traffic, which means more customers to their products, more sales. It does all the promotion for you. It just helps you make more profit than you're already doing. So basically, it's just a platform that will help people on Amazon to get more sales, more customers, and more attention to whatever they are selling. So don't worry, you're not here to sell anything on Amazon. You're not here to buy anything on Amazon. You're only here to help people. So the first thing you need to do is you want to click on this button that says sign up. Just create an account. It's very easy to do and quick. Put in your email address, then you can decide to put in your phone number or not. And when you click on next, it's going to take you over here. Very simple. This is your dashboard. So basically with your dashboard, you want to scroll down all the way to the bottom where it says affiliates. Click on this button that says affiliates over here. Make sure you click on that. Then when you click on affiliates, you'll see over here, earn 100% of the first month. The reason I love Splitly is that you get 100% of all the profits on your first month, which means every sale that you actually make, everybody that actually applies to this program to help them make more sales on Amazon, you're going to get 100%, which is absolutely awesome. So the first thing you need to do over here, just click on this, get my affiliate link. This is the link that people are going to be using to actually give you money. You need to share this link. This is the very important link. This link is everything. Make sure you click over here where it says affiliates, and then you will see over here your affiliate link is this one over here. So this is your affiliate link. Make sure you copy that. So now once you have your affiliate link, the next step you want to do, you want to go onto a website called FreePLRdownloads.com. So it's FreePLRdownloads.com. So when you're on FreePLR Downloads, basically it's a place where you can get free ebooks, free software, free videos. And what is special about this place is that you can actually use all these books and software and videos for your own use. You can resell them, you can edit them, you can literally just get access to a book and open it and literally change the text inside the book and then sell it and make all the profit. That is the beauty of this website. So basically you can just come over here and click on ebooks. Click on ebooks over here, and when you click on ebooks, you're going to see many categories that you have access to. So there's ebooks on affiliate marketing, on internet marketing, on health, on finance, on fishing, fitness, food, gambling, product creation, self-help, real estate, so many. But what we're going to do is we're going to click on Amazon. Click on Amazon, so it's going to provide us. Okay, we don't want that. Okay, when you click on Amazon, it's going to give you, now there are 2 books available which you can use. So from my experience, this one works very well. Click on this one. So this is a book about Amazon. So Amazon bestseller genie. So it's just a book that teaches you about how to make money on Amazon, how to make Amazon work for you, and so on and so forth. So there's a brief description of the book over here, and when you scroll down, you'll click on this button which says download. So once you click on that blue button that says download, it's going to download straight onto your computer for free, and you can literally just do anything with this book. Now when we open the book over here, so basically this is how the book looks over here. We have the cover page, we have the contents page, then we have all the information in the book. Basically all the information is in the book. Okay, so now that you have this book, what do? What you're going to do is you want to go into a website now called pdfescape.com. pdfescape.com. So it's pdfescape.com. When you're over here, what you need to do, you want to click on this button over here which says free online. You want to click on that. Make sure you click on that. That is very, very important. Then you want to upload PDF. So now you want to make sure that you find that PDF you just downloaded over here. Make sure you find that PDF you downloaded wherever you found it, wherever you've downloaded it. So this is it for me over here, Amazon bestseller genie. You want to upload that onto PDF Escape. So wait for it to upload. So it should take some time, and as you can see, it's busy uploading. Okay, now as we can see, it has fully uploaded. So this is the book over here. Now what you want to do, you want to actually type something inside of the book. For example, when you see this over here, it says text. Click on text, and then click on text, then click over here. Then you can actually type something. You can type something like, click here to get more sales and profit on Amazon. This is the #1 recommended method to make more money, to make more money on Amazon. Okay, now that you've typed that in, as you can see over here, just make it a bit bigger so that it's more visible. You can do, or you can just, you can do something like that, make it more visible. Now that it's visible, you want to click on link. So when you click on link, select this section over here, and then over here you want to paste your affiliate link from Splitly. So over here, as I showed you, your affiliate link is this one over here. You want to make sure you've copied that. Copy that link, then go back over here and paste it. So this is your link. So now when people read throughout the book and they see this and they click on that, what it's going to do is going to take them onto this page over here where it literally just explains to them the benefits of this product and how it's going to benefit them and give them more sales and so on and so forth. And then it's going to give them the pricing plan, which is these 4 different pricing plans. There's the $47 one, the $97, the $197, the $497, and they can just decide whichever one they would like to to get access to. So of course the more expensive one is going to get them more sales and, you know, more exposure, and that is basically how you make your money. No matter the one that they actually choose, you get a percentage after your first month, but on your first month you get exactly the entire amount. So if they decide to choose $497 for the first month, then you're going to make exactly $497 per person on your first month. And then on the second month, if they decide to continue with the same plan, which is $497, you'll get a less amount, but it will still be reasonable. So this is a great way to make money online. I hope you understand how it works. So basically what you'll do is that you want to copy this thing that you've done and make sure you paste it. Basically try and paste it all over on every page. Make sure it's visible, make sure that they cannot miss it. Paste it over here. Then when you scroll down and they're busy reading some more, you can paste it over here again. Then of course when they read it some more, they read, you can paste it on top there. So just paste it all over so that they don't miss it. Then once you've pasted it, what you need to do then is you want to save your PDF file. So now you've saved a new file. You've saved a new file basically, and you want to click over here where it says save and download. So now you can now download your new edited file, which now has the entire ebook as it was, but now you have your links involved inside. So you've now inserted your links inside so that when they click on it, they can actually give you some money by buying this awesome thing that can help them get more sales. So now that you have that ebook over here, what you want to do is you want to come over here back to your Google Drive. Now when you have your Google Drive, what you want to do is you want to click over here where it says new. Then you want to click on file upload. So when you click on file upload, you want to make sure that the file, the PDF file, which is over here, the one that you've just downloaded right now, you want to upload it. You want to upload that. So now, as I can see over here, it's busy uploading. So this is it over here. So this is it right here. So basically now that we have that, what you want to do is you want to right click and then you want to click on get link. Click on get link so that we get the link of this ebook. So now this is the link. Copy this link, and what you want to do is you want to go onto Facebook. When you're on Facebook, you want to search for Amazon sellers. Then you want to make sure you select groups. Now you'll see that there's so many groups, like this, so many groups concerning Amazon sellers. I mean, here there's 57,000 people inside, there's 42,000, there's 59,000, there's 14,000, all within this Amazon topic. 57,000, 10,000. So you want to join every group and you want to paste your link. You want to send messages to people and say, hey, there's this really awesome ebook, it's free, try and read it, it really helps. Now basically you don't really want to, you're not telling them about, you know, the fact that you're selling them this product directly. No, you just putting out your link for the free ebook so that they can actually read the ebook for free, for fun. And when they read it, they'll eventually see your link over there where it's, of course, we've put it out there where it says click here for the #1 best recommendation to make money on Amazon. Then they'll decide to click on it, and no matter the plan that they decide to actually purchase, you're going to make some money from that. And remember, there's so many people, there's 42,000, 57,000. Now if you can just get even 5 people, 10 people out of 57,000, it's still a lot of money. So you can see the potential for yourself, and I hope it helps you, and I hope it makes sense, and I hope I wasn't speaking too quickly. And if you do have any questions, please comment your questions down below in the comment section. I'll do my best to reply. And please like the video, I would really appreciate that, and subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click that subscribe button, it's free, and click the bell icon as well so you receive a notification when I upload my new videos. Thank you so much for watching. and cheers.